Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making cream cheese French toast casserole. So let's get started. So for this recipe I decided to use French bread, and I'm going to cut the bread into slices, then cut the slices into bite-sized pieces. Do keep in mind that the full ingredients will be on my blog, and you can find the link in the description box below, and you can also check out other recipes that I have on my blog as well. So here I have about 8 eggs, and I'm going to add some sugar, vanilla, as well as some cinnamon, and I'm just going to mix that all together. You can also add milk. I forgot to add milk for some reason, but definitely go ahead and add some milk in there. And now I'm going to work on my cream cheese, and basically I just have some cream cheese and I'm going to add sugar to it, and I'm going to mix the sugar in with the cream cheese. Then I'll be adding a bit of milk and some lemon juice, and I'm just going to mix that all together. And now I'm just going to cut up some strawberries. You can use frozen if you like, but I have some fresh strawberries, so I decided to use fresh strawberries for this recipe. Now it's time to put everything together, so I'm just going to take the egg mixture and I'm going to coat all the bread pieces with that mixture. So now it's time to put everything together. So I'm going to go ahead and grease the baking dish. Place the bread in the baking dish, then put the strawberries on top. And then I'll be placing the cream cheese mixture on top of the strawberries. Then I'll be baking the casserole for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. So once it's done, it should look like this. So thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos as well. See you next time. Take care.